Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? I hope everyone had a wonderful weekend. Here in Texas, I think it went up to 90 something degrees today, so it was a very hot day. Okay, so tonight we're going to do an unboxing from Calming Canvas Designs. And it says here, Crafting Serenity, one diamond at a time. It comes in this white box. So let's open this baby up. Oh, and by the way, before I forget, there's actually a picture of the painting on the top of the box. Okay. So this company, guys, is family owned. Joy, and she's wonderful. Her name is Joy. She's a very nice lady, guys. Okay, so let's see. What do we have in here? So we have the toolkit. Got the baggies. Let's see if I can get everything out. Let's see. I'm just sticking my hand in here. Got the drills. It should have a sticker and some release paper. So there it goes. And where's the release paper? It always gets stuck in here. Okay. So yeah, let's put the canvas aside for now. We don't need that right now. Okay. So this one is actually called, I believe, Boho Chic. Chic, yeah. And the artist is Annie's Art. And by the way, all their artwork is legally licensed artwork. Okay. So as you can see, it comes with big pieces of release paper. So you can actually cut these up. And whoever doesn't know what release paper is basically when you're going to work on your painting, it comes with a plastic covering. So if when you peel the plastic covering off, or just some people will just peel it back on the section they're going to work on, and then some people will put release paper, and it's basically just a section off your painting. Okay, now this is a shiny side and there's a matte side, so I'm not sure which side you're supposed to use, so please make sure you test it on a little corner before you do place them. All right, I'm gonna put that aside. And then it comes with little baggies, so actually you could put the drills in these baggies if you like. It also comes with a toolkit. But let's look at the sticker. Look how big the sticker is, and look at how beautiful this painting is. Now, guys, of course, I ordered this a while back, so I think it's not available anymore, but she has so many beautiful paintings, and she has these beautiful Christmas ones if you're looking for a Christmas painting. Okay, so here in the bottom, Calming Canvas Designs, Crafting Serenity, one diamond at a time. As you can see, it comes with pre-cut stickers, so you could actually put these on your container. And so I'm gonna just bring it up so you can see some of the symbols. So you have arrows, flowers. I call this a little tree. Some letters, some numbers, star, a triangle, what else? Dollar sign. I call this a little mustache. Let's see. More letters, more arrows. You got a musical note, a heart, airplane. Okay. So yeah, 79 colors this painting has, guys. All right, so I'm going to move this aside. And that you could actually put in your logbook. All right, this is the toolkit. So let's look at the toolkit. Let's see what we have. So it looks like we have, of course, a diamond pen, right? Let's see what else we have here. Ooh, little brush. And it comes with 2 comfort grips. This is to help with your hands. This is a single placer. You could only pick one drill at a time. And over here, I think this is a 3 placer. And then you have another one, and this might be 7 placer maybe. Okay, and then you have 2 waxes that are heart shaped, and it's in orange. And then you have, of course, oh, the washi tape. It's a pink, thin washi tape. And then you have tweezers, very, very sharp, so please be very careful. And a tray, and it's got a little brush. So I hope you pick, I guess, the drills, which is nice. And this is a cover minder, and it's a watermelon. And it looks like somebody took a little bite there. And of course, it's a magnet. Well, 2 magnets, right? So when you're working on your painting, you peel the plastic back, and to hold the plastic back, You basically put the watermelon on the top, which is the cover minder, and then you take the other magnet and you put it underneath the canvas. It snaps and it holds the plastic back. All right, so you got everything that you need if you are a newbie or a beginner, or if you're traveling, you got everything in there. All right, so let's put that aside. And of course, these are the drills. And the drills, by the way, guys, are all 100% resin. And it looks like it comes in 2 bags. All right. I don't know if you can see the colors, but I will be taking out just the ABs out of here. This is going to be too many colors. All right, so let's put this aside over here, actually. And now I'm going to bring out the canvas. I'm just feeling here the canvas is very, very soft, actually, guys, which is nice. And it's got scallop edges. And it also has like that stitching. And also has like a border, a blue border all around the painting, which is nice. Okay, so I'm gonna just, oh my gosh, she's beautiful, guys. Wow. Wow, I love her. Oh my gosh. Okay, so on the top here is the logo. It says calming, oh my gosh, calming canvas designs. I just went blank there. Crafting serenity, 1 diamond at a time. And then over here on the top, the left hand side, it says Boho Chic, artist Annie's art. Okay, and then of course over here you have a legend on the right hand side, and I'm going to bring it up so you can see. It's got a picture, the beautiful painting, and then up here it tells you that it has it's I believe 50 by 50 centimeters, and it's got 3 ABs. All right, and if you look at the legend on the first row, it tells you how many colors. So it has 79 colors. That's a lot of colors. And then the symbols, and then of course this is the DMC, and then in the bottom over here, AB, 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 so that's 3 ABs, and the quantity of each drill, which is pretty cool. And then of course down here is where you find them on the website. Okay, so let's look at this beautiful painting. And by the way, before I forget, with this company, like I mentioned earlier, it's legally licensed artwork, but you could also select the drill size, which is nice. Let me push this back so we don't need glare. So you could either pick round or square drills. Oh, and you could also select the canvas size. So I selected this one, 50 by 50, but I believe it comes in bigger size, or used to. And you could also select the sparkle or no sparkle. So in other words, you could pick how many ABs you want, or how many crystals you want, or if you don't want any sparkle and leave it the way it is, you could do that too. All right, so I'm just going to lift the plastic, and the plastic, guys, really thick, very good quality, very nice. Okay, let's see, let me lift this again because I left some. It's just the plastic. If you see this here, that's just the plastic, guys. Let me see if I can lift this so you can see. And it's been here for a while. Oh yeah, let's do that again. I don't like that. Let's see. Let's do that again. Okay, that's good. Okay, so I'm gonna lift her up so you can see her. But before, well, I think I better use the picture because it helps me. She has these beautiful, deep, like they call them bedroom eyes, like very, very sad eyes. They're like blue-green, just absolutely stunning. And she has this very pretty makeup on her with sparkles here on the cheeks. And she has this, she looks like she has like blue hair. And then she has this beautiful head wrap that has very, very pretty, it's like a very pretty pattern. It's got pinks, it's got blues and white. And then all around her head back here, there's just flowers, beautiful flowers. And then she's got these dangling earrings, and it looks like it's gold, and at the bottom they're pearls. She's very elegant. She's absolutely beautiful. She has this beautiful long neck, and then she's got like this, looks like a little blouse with little ruffles on her shoulders. And of course, if you look at the background, love the background, it has sort of like a watercolor look to it, and the colors are just beautiful. My gosh, yeah, really, really pretty. So I'm going to bring it up so you can see it a little better. It's very, very clear. See that? And this course, this one has a lot of confetti. All right, which means that you're gonna have to be changing the drills a lot. Except on her face. See her forehead? That's more color blocking, so you're gonna have the same color. Look at those eyes. Okay, there goes her lips, her nose, and the flowers. Beautiful flowers. And the head wrap, I just love it. There's something about a head wrap, I just love it. And of course, her long neck. Absolutely stunning. All right, so we're gonna bring out the drills. Where did I put the drills? Let's see. We're gonna look for the 3 ABs. If I can find them. Let's see. Let's see, which one is it? It's AB. So let's see what numbers we have here. Okay, so you just have the DMC numbers on the top. Just have to look for sparkles. Let's see. Oh, I might just come back. Oh, wait, there's one. Here's another one. Wow, pretty colors. So we have 841, 890, and we're looking for 436. Here's another one. No, I'm sorry, that's not it. That's just a regular drill. Okay, and if it's not in this bag, it could be in the other bag. So let's look at the other bag. Where are you? Is that it? Nope. And if I can't find it, I'll just put you on pause the video and I will look for it and come right back. And I think I'm gonna have to do that. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, guys. I found them. All right, so the first one is AB 436. Look how pretty that is. It's like an orange brown color. Absolutely pretty. And by the way, AB just means Aurora Borealis. It just means that it's going to be a drill with an extra shine to it. All right, it's not a lot, it's just one. And then this is AB 841, very, very pretty brown, very shiny. And this was AB 890, and this is like a green color. It's sort of blue-green, but more green. So pretty. Not many, huh? It's just one. It looks like it's just one bag for each AB. So we're gonna we're gonna try to find this one. So this one says that it's symbol, it's like it's a percent sign. So let's see. Let's see, where can we see it? So this is like an orange. Let's see. This is like, I find the hardest part when I can't find them, you know, you try to find them. Let's see, when you're not looking for it, that's when you find them. Oh, okay. So you have some here, which is on top of her eye. Some there. Some here. Okay. It looks like it's going to be scattered. That's what it looks like, or sprinkled. Okay, let's see. Oh, you have some over here, which I believe that's maybe the background or flowers. Probably flowers. And then back here, which is, I believe, more flowers. Let's see. Oh, then definitely over here, lots over here. Again, also, but I think that's actually the background. It has that watercolor look to it, which I love. All right, so that's going to be scattered or sprinkled. And this was 841 AB, and this is going to be letter capital N. Okay, so I see it already. This one's sort of like a brown color. We have some over here, which is going to be, I think that's her head wrap. Some back here. Okay, that's the background. Again, the same thing over here. I think that's the background or the flowers. You can't really tell. Definitely all over here. Anything on her face? And nope. Okay, how about down here? Oh, definitely over here, guys. It's like the shadow that it creates on her long neck. All over here, all the way down here, which is nice. And some over here also. And I think those are like, that's the background, I think. Or it could be also flowers. This is definitely confetti heavy, guys. Except on her face. All right, and then the next one is this beautiful AB 890, which is a very pretty green. And this is going to be, I think it's a spade. I think that's what they call it. Right here, it's all over here. And I think that's also the background. How about on this side? Do I see any here? Nope. If some, no, those are hearts. I take it back. How about up here? Those are hearts. There's some here. There's one there. So it's sprinkled like around her eyes. This is the eyeshadow, by the way. Her makeup. Oh, definitely up here. That's the background. And again, over here on the background. Okay? Oh, and up here and here. Some on, it's like on her head wrap all around near her hair. That's going to look so pretty, guys. She's stunning, guys. All right, well, yeah, give them a chance because they have beautiful, beautiful paintings. And like I said, if you're looking for Christmas paintings, she has a lot of Christmas paintings right now. And yeah, hope you love this painting as much as I do. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the week. And I'm hoping to maybe do another video if I can this week. Just been very, very busy with my mom. So bye-bye and thank you and take care.